We are about to completely revolutionize lead generation and lead getting for all marketers. Did you know that most standard opt-in forums, even good ones, whether it's lead gen, CPA, local, they convert very low, single digits, under 9%. We've learned to accept such a low number, but guys, what if we could triple that? By understanding one simple human desire we have. And what's this human desire? Instant gratification. People love to get their quick fix. And what if we had a way that took this desire and converted traffic like crazy? What if I also told you that this very thing also creates its own traffic opportunity? Even more, what if I told you that this also creates a new service and offering for offline professionals? What I'm about to show you can be used for all types of lead getting. Doesn't matter if you're talking about affiliate and CPA lead generation or B2B offline lead generation. This taps into something very important and gives us a major edge like nobody's seen before. And the best part is it works for Facebook traffic, pay-per-click traffic, SEO traffic, hell, even Craigslist traffic. But even better, guys, it only takes 3 easy steps to put this to use. Anyone can do this. Are you ready? All right, here we go. We are introducing the Rockstar Lead Machine. This takes creating instant quotes and uses them to drive and convert serious traffic, hot traffic, buyer traffic. It's easy to use. It opens up a completely new, massive opportunity for the entire marketing arena. This is truly a game changer, and I'm not blowing smoke, I'm not hyping. Nobody has anything like this, and this is changing it. Check it out. All we've got to do in these 3 easy steps is first, set up a calculation. Bam. You use this tool, you create a simple calculation so that somebody can create an instant quote that a lead can fill out, and it allows you to collect that lead. Once they do, you put that on your page just using a simple shortcode. Guys, all you need here is WordPress. Doesn't matter if you're on Mac, PC, or Commodore 64, all you need is WordPress. And you put in that shortcode and bam, it shows up right there anywhere on any page on your site. It'll bring up this calculator. And what'll happen is the user gets that instant gratification. They're not filling out a form anymore that says, oh, somebody will call you back between now and the end of time. Now they're getting instant quotes. And they submit this thing and you're getting a lead. You're getting a lead for your CPA offer, for your local client, for anything you want, for your affiliate offer. It doesn't matter. You're providing something of value that they want to know the information of right away. This opens up a whole world to us. Okay, the third step, once you use this, you're going to convert 3 times more traffic and grab hot leads. Why do I say hot leads? Because if somebody's looking for an instant quote of something, they are an active buyer. They are ready to spend some money. That is the best type of lead you can find. By having this little button on your Facebook ad or on a Craigslist page, or right there in SEO, you have the word instant quote for building a pool. It doesn't matter. By having that, you are driving in a better traffic source and you're converting more of those leads. You're taking more of that traffic and generating leads for yourself. And this integrates with all major autoresponders, and it's pretty kick-ass. Let me show you this thing in action. Check it out. And all you need is WordPress. You install it and boom, here it is. Right now we're selecting the orange quote button, as you can see. Okay, we have multiple styling options for creating and generating those quote buttons. But look, you select a page, you generate a short code, and you can put in different options here to let it integrate with an autoresponder and force it to collect an opt-in. We have a very clever way of doing that that is not invasive, and we'll show you that in just a second. All right, then you can set it up to where it will email that user, that person that's looking for this instant quote, it will email it to them as well. And we can even activate a range, meaning rather than just saying, okay, this pool is going to cost you $50,000, we can set up a margin of error and say, hey, your estimate is between $35,000 and $45,000. Okay, you can set that up if you want to. What goes even further is this additional message field. With that instantly generated estimate or quote, you can put any kind of call to action there. So if you're servicing local businesses or doing leads for them, you could have it, have a phone number, put any message you want there. Now, here's a very clever thing. If you're doing any kind of affiliate marketing, you can use that to push your offer. It can be a CPA offer, it can be a direct affiliate offer, it can be your own product, it can be a lot of different things, but a great example is a CPA offer. So if they're getting a pool quote, what it's going to cost to build a pool, well, wouldn't it make sense for them to possibly shop a deal on a construction loan, on a pool building loan? We've seen plenty of CPA offers just like that pay $20 to $30 every time a form is filled out. So they get this quote, and underneath it says, here's what it can cost you. You want to see what your monthly payment's going to be? Click here. Estimate your monthly payment. Bam, you just got a CPA offer for $30 off of something that was also generating a lead for something else. You just got 2 benefits from one single effort. That's what's so kick-ass about this. And so once you've set these things up, which obviously, as you saw, I didn't really have to do much. Once you set that up, you set up your calculations. And guys, we have a complete tutorial on how to set this up, but it really is easy. This is telling me the cost per square foot. Okay, so 35, I put in 35. Is it gunite concrete? $50 a square foot. Is it vinyl? $25 a square foot, okay? And I base these off of actual industry averages, and then they enter in the square footage. And so depending on which one of these they pick, it's gonna multiply it by the square footage they put in. And then we can even add in another variable here for, is this a premium build that includes a spa? Well, if it is, it's gonna add 25% to the price. So it's going to multiply it times 1.25. Again, this is actually really simple. I mean, we just entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. This took under 2 minutes to do once we had the data we needed, and bam. So here's what it looks like. Okay, we have it here on a sample page for you. Okay, one of our awesome Rockstar themes. And look, let me actually do it, because I happen to know that the average cost of a pool is around $40,000. I know that that's a fact. I've researched this heavily. So let's say, is it fiberglass pool? No. I want to build the best kind of pool there is, a concrete gunite pool, not a vinyl pool either. And I'm going to say it's 1,000 square feet. Okay, this should cost around 50 grand. All right, and I'm not going to do a premium build, just going to do just the pool. Just want a pool. All right, I'm going to submit that thing. Boom. So you see what happened there. All right, we did not enter your email field in there at all. We did not input that at all. They have already filled this out, and we're telling them their quote is ready. And guys, this is optional. You don't have to do this, but what's the point if you don't, right? Once they have filled that out, they click submit, boom. What happens is this pops up, they enter in their email, and once they do, they click get instant quote, and 2 things happen. Once they do that, they click get instant quote, it loads up the quote and gives it to them right here on the page with any message you want. And this page is completely customizable any way you want it. They get that quote and it gets emailed to them, everything that's in here. And you've customized the subject line, everything. It is a flawless system that's getting you a lead, giving you an opportunity to sell, and there's so many ways to take advantage of this. Guys, when people are coming into a site and they're looking for an instant quote, they are a hot lead, they are a hot buyer, and they are worth something. You know that, I know that, and this actually taps right into that very easily just by having this simple calculator. Guys, we've always seen how the mortgage industry has used those calculators to get lots of leads. Now, for the first time, we as the internet marketing community can use this for anything. I mean, it's obvious to think about, oh, pool builders and all these local businesses, but look right here. I'm here on Offer Vault, huge affiliate network for CPA offers. Look at this stuff, guys. Could you create a quote for what it would cost to get spinal surgery? Could you create an instant quote for what it would cost to get solar panels for your house? Hell yeah. Could you create a quote for like I said, the pools where you're getting construction loans? What about these? You've got this thing here for walk-in tubs. It's paying $34 per lead. If that's a product that goes in a home that requires any kind of install, you could create a quote for that, man. There's so many different things here you can create quotes for. You can create quotes for hundreds of things. You can for repair services, so on and so forth. And all these are paying money per lead. But guys, look at the double benefit here. If you're actually selling leads like Home Advisor, okay, you know, formerly known as Service Magic, you're able to create your own lead gen silos here. All right, drive traffic from YouTube, Google Plus, from Facebook, you name it, giving them something they want. Instant quotes, and they filling that thing out. They are an active, ready to go buyer. So how could this be used? Let's make it rain, guys. This could be used like I showed you, affiliate CPA offers, local business offers. You can put a button on Facebook ads, put the word instant quote. Hell, drive SEO traffic with videos or standard SEO with optimizing for words like instant quote or XYZ cost. You know, like cost to build a pool in Irvine, California. I mean, those are easy keywords, and you're going to be able to drive leads all day because you have the ability to give them an instant quote now. All right, you can use this in offline marketing as its own service. Imagine going up to a local business and saying, hey, you could get more leads for your business if you had this on your site. And all you got to do is put a little image button there that goes to your calculator, your instant quote calculator, and you're driving leads for them. You could charge them a monthly fee for that. Easy. You can use this on your own lead generation sites, your digital assets, your lease sites, your pay-per-call sites. You can use this. You can be just like Home Advisor. Bottom line, if you want to boost hot traffic with explosive conversions, this is for you. This is what this revolutionary tool does. So do not miss out on this. This has been Littlefield reminding you to keep on rocking. On behalf of our man, Dr. Dan, I'm going to also remind you to be a rock star in your business and in your life. Now take advantage of Rockstar Lead Machine as soon as you possibly can.